Hi, my name is Tina Masterson and I work at the University of Southern Mississippi, and I wanted to talk to you today about my career because it's my understanding you have a virtual career day coming up, and I was asked to talk a little bit about my career and what I do in a day. Now, my days are a little bit difficult to explain because my days change from day to day throughout the week, so I will go through more of a week in the life of my career. Okay? So just a little bit of background. I have a Master's of Science for my degree. So I did go to graduate school to be able to work in my career. Now, I am the upper level laboratory coordinator, and I also maintain the instruments used for teaching and for research. So I just want to tell you a little bit about what I do. My main responsibility is teaching, and so I teach the upper level, which is juniors and seniors. Okay. And one of the things I really enjoy about this is I get to interact with all of our majors, and what I can do is I can teach new skills and techniques in labs that the students haven't seen before. And this is really fun. Okay. I also have the responsibility of maintaining equipment or instruments. Okay, so this gets interesting when there's a problem or something that I have to solve. I can solve that, so it's like little puzzles I get to solve, which makes it interesting. And so what all this means put together is that I don't get bored. That's what that means, because there's something always changing about my job. And so that way I don't get bored. I also get to be creative. And one of the areas that we are creative over here in the chemistry department is this light board, because my husband and I built this so that we would have a way of doing unique, fun videos when we went online for COVID. And so you get to be creative, and you get to design different things for students to use or for instructors to use, which is really nice and really neat. Okay? So one of the main things I would like to say about your career choice, though, is choose something that you enjoy or that you like, because you spend a lot of hours of your life dedicated to that career, and if you enjoy it, it makes life so much happier. Okay? So next I would like to go show you the teaching lab where we actually teach, and then I would like to go through the instrument room to show you a few of the instruments that I have to maintain, and then lastly I would show you the NMR. Okay? So I'll see you in a few minutes. This is what I look like teaching. I have my face shield and my mask on, so if you have a little trouble hearing me, I apologize. But this is my norm. This is my norm for now. Okay? So this is my teaching lab, and I'd like for you to see, this is where all my students are going to stand to perform their experiments. And then this is the hoods where they're going to go to perform parts of their experiment. And we have computers and all sorts of stuff in here to play with. But I will keep this a little short, and so this is my teaching area. And so what I would like to do now is take you to where my instruments are that I have to maintain. So Miss Jan is going to follow me around to do that. All right? So here we we have some instruments in lab that I have to maintain. We have our computers. Over here we have another area where we have a rotovap to maintain. Okay, and we also do bomb calorimetry in here, which is kind of fun. If you take chemistry and you have to do that, then that's really fun. That's an interesting part. Okay, so now let's go down the hallway and we'll look inside the instrument suite. All right, so this instrument is an LXQ, which is an HPLC attached to a mass spec. Then we have a molding. Then over here, we have a UV. We have an HPLC. And then we have an IR. And on that wall, we have a GC. And then we have one last instrument that I want to show you, and that's in a different room. So let's go see that one. So this is our NMR, which is a superconducting magnet that we use to analyze our organic compounds. And so this instrument, with all the other instruments, make this instrument suite probably worth about $1.5 million. Just to let you know, just kind of like a price range of how expensive it is to actually do research and perform some chemistry experiments. But it's necessary, we like it. We can, once we have that degree, we can make drugs for pharmaceuticals. We can do cosmetic chemistry. We can work at Clorox and make cleaners and stuff like that. So you can do all kinds of stuff. Okay? I hope you enjoy this. Bye.